Hello children, welcome to Math Path. In our path, today we are going to learn again expansions, and this time we are going to solve exercise 4D. So expansions chapter 4 class 9 ICSE. So here we go children, and we start with the first question of the exercise 4D. The question is, if x plus y plus 3z is equal to 0 and x cube plus y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18xyz, evaluate x plus 2y the whole square upon xy plus 2y plus 3z the whole square upon yz plus 3z plus x the whole square upon zx. Okay, now when we look at the expression of which we have to evaluate, just compare with the given equation. You are given x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. So x plus 2y, is it there here? Yes. 2y plus 3z, these are also the terms over here. 3z plus x, these are also the terms over here. So what do? We find the values of this x plus 2y, 2y plus 3z and 3z plus x from this equation. So here we go children. So you are given x cube plus 4y cube plus 9z cube is equal to 18xyz. This is what is given to you. And x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. So from this equation, as I told you, we are going to focus on x plus 2y. So keeping this x plus 2y over here, 3z goes here, it becomes minus 3z. If you have to find 2y plus 3z, it is going to be minus x. If you have to find x plus 3z or 3z plus x, this is going to be minus 2y. So this is how you get x plus 2y is equal to minus 3z, 2y plus 3z is equal to minus x, and 3z plus x is equal to minus 2y. Now what we do is we substitute these values in the equation what we have to evaluate. So substituting the value x plus 2y, in place of that we put minus 3z, 2y plus 3z we put as minus x, and 3z plus x we put it as minus 2y. Now minus 3 square is also positive 9. So minus 3z the whole square is minus 9z square. Minus x the whole square is going to be x square. And 4y minus 2y the whole square is going to be 4y square. When we look at the denominator, we have xy, yz and zx. So the LCM of this denominator is going to be xyz. So if you try to take the LCM here, the LCM is going to be xyz. So here there is xy. So what I need here? I need one more z. So I'll be multiplying by z here. Here there is yz. So x is missing. So I need one more x here. So I'll be multiplying by x to both numerator and denominator. Zx. So y is missing. So I'll multiply by y. So on doing so, what we get is, we are getting here now x square multiplied by x, we get x cube. 4y square multiplied by y, we get 4y cube. 9z square multiplied by z, we get 9z cube. And the denominator, the LCM is xyz. Now we are already given the value of x cube plus y cube plus 9z cube as 18xyz. We put this value over here. So 18xyz upon xyz, this xyz and xyz got cancelled. So the value of this given expression, we got it as 18. Okay, we move on to the next question now. And here it is, if a plus 1 upon a is equal to m and a is not equal to 0, find in terms of m the value of a minus 1 upon a. So we start with the given. So given expression was a plus 1 upon a is equal to m. So we square both sides of the equation. What is the identity? A plus 1 upon a the whole square. It's a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. So this is how we get this as a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 is equal to m square. We get the value of a square plus 1 upon a square. Thus 2 goes here, becomes minus 2, m square minus 2. Now this value of a square plus 1 upon a square, we are going to use to evaluate a minus 1 upon a. So we start with a minus 1 upon a the whole square, which is a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. A square plus 1 upon a square value, we have got 1 m square minus 2. We put it over here. So in place of a square plus 1 upon a square, we put m square minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2, two negatives we add, it becomes minus 4. So this is how we get a minus 1 upon a the whole square is equal to m square minus 4. Take the square root of both sides. We get a minus 1 upon a is equal to plus or minus root m square minus 4. So when we take square root, it is important to write plus or minus. As I said, root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2 because 2 square is also 4 and minus 2 square is also 4. So this is how square root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. So whenever we are taking square root, it is important to write plus or minus sign over here. Okay. Now, in the same question, we are asked one more thing. We are asked to find a square minus 1 upon a square. Now, we have the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, wherein a plus 1 upon a value is already given to us and a minus 1 upon a we have just calculated. So, let us put a square minus 1 upon a square. This is your a and this is your b. A plus b into a minus b. A plus 1 upon a, the value is m. A minus 1 upon a, the value is plus or minus root m square minus 4. So this is how we get the value of a square minus 1 upon a square as plus or minus m root m square minus 4. Okay, now question number 3 of exercise 4D. In the expansion of 2x square minus 8 multiplied by x minus 4 the whole square, find the value of coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x square and the constant term in this. So we will be starting expanding over here. So how did we get this? So what we do here, we expand x minus 4 the whole square. We know the identity a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So we expanded x minus 4 the whole square, which is x square minus 2ab. This you take as a, this you take as b. 2ab plus b square, which is x square minus 8x. 2 into 4 is 8, 8x plus 16. Now what we do here, we multiply by 2x square to this entire bracket x square minus 8x plus 16. Okay, and minus, there is minus sign here. So by minus 8, we again multiply x square minus 8x plus 16, right? So 2x square into x square, we got 2x raised to 4. 2x square multiplied, 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. So minus 16, x square into x is going to be x cube, right? And 2 multiplied by 16 is 32. So this is how you get plus 32x square. Minus 8 into x square is minus 8x square. Minus into minus, this becomes plus 8x. And minus 8 into 16 is going to be minus 128. Now we have these two like terms, we added. So on doing that, we get this as 2x raised to 4 minus 16x cube. 32 minus 8 is positive 24x square plus, I'm sorry, this was 8 into 8, it was 64x. Sorry, 8 8 is 64, 8 into 8, so this becomes plus 64x and minus 128. Got it? Now when we look at this, what is the coefficient of? You are asked the coefficient of x cube. So what is the coefficient of x cube here? The coefficient of x cube is minus 16. So coefficient of x cube is going to be minus 16. Coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square? It is going to be positive 24. So coefficient of x square is positive 24. And the constant term is minus 128. So this is how you get the constant term as minus 128. So this is how we get the coefficient of x cube as minus 16, coefficient of x square as 24, and the constant term is 128. We move on to the next question, question number 4 here. If x is greater than 0 and x square plus 1 upon 9x square is equal to 25 by 36, find the value of x cube plus 27x cube. Now you have to see here 9x square. So 9x square is the square of what? It is the square of 3x the whole square, right? So this we can write it as x square plus 1 upon 3x square, which is equal to 25 by 36. Now how do I get this as the, what should I add to both sides so that I get the a plus b the whole square? So I have a square plus b square. So I need to add 2ab. So what is that 2ab? So that is 2 into x into b, which is 3x. 1 upon 3x, right? So 2ab. So that means I will have to add 2 by 3 to both sides. So if I add that, I'll be getting the perfect square on my right hand side. So 2x into 1 by 3x, which I get as 2 by 3. Just now I have shown you. And let us now add this to both sides. So if I add, this was my x square plus 1 upon 3x square. Just added to AB, that is 2x into 1 by 3x. The value of this is nothing but 2 by 3 as we have got now. So same, we have added the values 2 by 3 on both sides. On doing that, we got x square plus 1 upon 3x square plus 2x into 1 by 3x is the expansion of x plus 1 by 3x the whole square. Okay. Now 25 by 36 and the LCM. Now here 3 should be multiplied by what to get 36? The LCM of 3 and 36 is 36. So 3 into 12 and 2 into 12. So 2 into 12, this is how we got this as 24. 25 plus 24 is 49. 49 upon 36, square root of 49. 49 is the square of 7 and 36 is the square of 6. So that is how we got the value of x plus 1 upon 3x as 7 by 6. Okay. Now we are asked to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So what do we do here? X plus 1 upon 3x is equal to 7 by 6 we got. We just cube both sides. Now cubing both sides we get a plus b the whole cube is a cube, that is x cube, plus b cube, that is 1 upon 3x cube, plus 3ab, that is x into 3 into x into 1 by 3x. This will get cancelled. In bracket a plus b, that is x plus 1 by 3x. 7 cube is 343, 6 cube is 216. Okay. Now, when I put the value of x plus 1 upon 3x as 7 by 6, okay, this 3 also has got cancelled here. So we get x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube plus 7 by 6 is equal to 343 upon 216. Now, I want to find the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27x cube. So I'll take this 7 by 6 over this side. So it becomes minus. So LCM of 6 and 216 is 216. So here we'll have to multiply by 36, multiply by 36. 7 into 36, we get 252. 343 minus 252 is 91 and denominator is 216. That is how we get the value of x cube plus 1 upon 27 x cube as 91 upon 216. Okay, let's move on to next question. If 2 in bracket x square plus 1 is equal to 5x, find x minus 1 upon x. Okay. So let's start with the first part of this. So we have 2 in bracket x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. Let us take this 2 this side. So on simplifying this, we get x square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 5x by 2. Now we will divide throughout by I want to find the value of x plus 1 upon x, right? X minus 1 upon x. So what we will do, we will divide this both sides by x. Dividing both sides by x, we get x square upon x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5x upon x. So this x and x got cancelled over here. And you got x, this 1x and this got cancelled. So x plus 1 upon x, we got it as 5 by 2. Now we will be using the square of this so that we get the value of x plus x square plus 1 upon x square, which we will be needing to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So x plus 1 upon x the whole square is x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 is equal to square of 5 by 2 is 25 by 4. So this 2 moves here, you have to subtract. So 25 by 4 minus 2. So the LCM here is going to be 4. So taking the LCM here, if I want 4 here, so I'll have to multiply by 4 over here. So 2 4s are 8 and 25 minus 8, we get it as 17 by 4. So we got the value of x square plus 1 upon x square as 17 by 4. Now we have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. Let us square that. So squaring x minus 1 upon x, we get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. Let us put the value of x square plus 1 upon x square as 17 by 4. 17 by 4 minus 2. Again, the LCM is 4 here. So you'll have to multiply by 4. 4 2s are 8. So 17 minus 8. This is how we get 9 upon 4. So taking the square root, we get x minus 1 upon x is plus or minus 3 upon 2. We got the value of x minus 1 upon x. This question has further sub-questions wherein you have to find the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Now, just now we have calculated the value of x minus 1 upon x, which is plus or minus 3 by 2. Let us take the cube of both sides. On cubing, now we are taking positive 3 by 2 over here. So x minus 1 upon x the whole cube is 3 by 2 the whole cube. Expand a minus b the whole cube is going to be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Now 3ab, that is x into 1 by x, becomes 1, which is equal to 3 cube, which is 27, and 2 cube is 8. Right? Now here x minus 1 upon x, let us put the value as 3 by 2. So now 3 by 2, when we put the value, 3 into 3 is 9. So this becomes 9 by 2. 9 by 2 shifts over here. Minus 9 by 2 shifts over here, becomes plus 9 by 2. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. So I need to multiply here by 4. So here by 4 again. 9 into 4 is 36. And 36 plus 27, we get it as 63 by 8. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube. If I take the value of x minus 1 upon x as positive 3 by 2, we are getting 63 by 8. Now, if you take the value of x minus 1 upon x as minus 3 by 2 and then cube both sides, we are going to get x minus 1 upon x the whole cube is minus 3 by 2 the whole cube. Simplify it. So x minus 1 upon x the whole cube is equal to minus 3. So this is minus 3 in bracket x minus 1 upon x is equal to minus 3 cube is minus 27 upon 8. Now x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 into minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 into minus 3 by 2 is going to be plus 9 by 2. This plus 9 by 2 when moves here, it becomes minus 9 by 2. So 27 minus 27 by 8 minus 9 by 2. Again, the LCM is 8 here. So we multiply by 4, minus 27 minus 36 is minus 63 upon 8. So this is how we get the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube is plus or minus 63 by 8. So if you are taking plus 3 by 2, you are getting the value as positive 63 by 8. When you are taking minus 3 by 2, you are getting the value as minus 63 by 8. Okay. Question number 6. If a square plus b square is equal to 34 and ab is equal to 12, you have to find the value of 3 in bracket a plus b the whole square plus 5 in bracket a minus b the whole square. One more sub question is there. Now here what we do is we start finding the value of a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Okay. So doing a plus b the whole square, we get a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. The value of a square plus b square is 34. We put it over here. And value of ab is 12. 2 into 12 is 24. So 34 plus 24, which we get as 58. So a plus b the whole square, we got 58. Now we will be finding a minus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let us put the values of a square plus b square as 34 and ab as 12. So 34 minus 2 multiplied by 12, which is 24. So 34 minus 24, that is 10, is the value of a minus b the whole square. Now we have to find the value of 3 in bracket a plus b the whole square plus 5 in bracket a minus b the whole square. Let us substitute the value of a plus b the whole square, which is 58, and a minus b the whole square, which is 10. So 3 multiplied by 58 is 174 and 5 into 10 is 50. So 174 plus 50, we get this value as 224. Now there is one more sub question here. You are asked to find the value of 7 in bracket a minus b the whole square minus 2 in bracket a plus b the whole square. We put the value of a minus b the whole square, we have got 10, and a plus b the whole square, we got 58. Let us substitute 7 multiplied by 10 minus 2 into 58, which is 70, minus 116, that is minus 46. Next question, question number 7. If 3 minus 4 by x is equal to 4 and x is not equal to 0, find 27x cube minus 64x cube. So what we are going to do over here, since 27x cube, that means it is the cube of this, right? 64 upon x cube, that means it is the cube of 4 by x. So we will be cubing both sides of this equation. So 3x minus 4 by x the whole cube is equal to 4 cube. Let us expand a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. We put the identity a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So this x and x got cancelled. So 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. This is how you get this as 36 into 3x minus 4 upon x. The value is given as 4 that we put over here. 4 cube is 64. 3 cube is 27. So 27 x cube minus 64 upon x cube minus 36 into 4 is 64. 36 multiplied by 4 is 144. This minus 144 goes here, becomes plus 14. 64 plus 144 is 208, is the value of 27 x cube minus 64 upon x cube. Okay. So what was the target here? You have to look at what is to be calculated and what is given and what is the relation between these two, right? So 27x cube is the cube of this. So that is how we start cubing it. Knowing the identities, we are able to solve. Okay. So if x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 7 and x is not equal to 0, find the value of 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 upon x. Now this is the value given. So what should we do to this so that this becomes an identity? Minus 1 upon x the whole square, you'll have to subtract 2. So subtracting 2 from both sides, we get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2. So this is the expansion of x minus 1 upon x the whole square, which we get as 5. Take the square root of both sides. We get the value of x minus 1 upon x as plus or minus root 5. Right? Now, since now if I take x minus 1 upon x as minus root 5 and we cube both sides, we will be getting x minus 1 upon x the whole cube is minus root 5 the whole cube. So x minus 1 upon x the whole cube is x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 in bracket x minus 1 upon x is equal to cube of this is going to be minus 5 root 5. Okay. How did you get minus 5 root 5? So this is going to be minus root 5 into minus root 5 into minus root 5. Okay. So minus root 5 into minus root 5 is going to be 5. And this is minus root 5. This is how you get this as minus 5 root 5 when you cube minus root 5. Okay. Now, x minus 1 upon x, we have put the value as minus root 5. Minus into minus is going to be plus. So this is how we get this as plus 3 root 5, which goes here, it becomes minus. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube is minus 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. So it is minus 8 root 5. So we have now got the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. We have the target of finding 7x cube plus 8x minus 7 upon x cube minus 8 upon x. So for this now, we can take 7 common from this numerator. We get x cube minus 1 upon x cube. From here, numerator, we take 8 common. We are left with x minus 1 upon x. These two values we have already calculated. X cube minus 1 upon x cube, we have got minus 8 root 5. And x minus 1 upon x, we have got minus root 5. So 7 8s are 56. So minus 56 root 5. 8, and this plus into minus is minus. So minus 8 root 5. Two negatives we add, minus 56 minus 8 root 5. We get minus 64 root 5. Now, if you take x minus 1 upon x is equal to positive root 5, again we cube both sides. Cubing both sides, we get this as x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 in bracket x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5 root 5. Right? So 5 root 5 is the cube of root 5. Now, put the value of x minus 1 upon x as positive root 5. So this becomes minus 3 root 5. Minus 3 root 5 goes here, it becomes plus 3 root 5. So now we have got the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube as positive 8 root 5. Now we find the value of 7x cube minus 7 upon x cube plus 8x minus 8 upon x when x minus 1 upon x is positive root 5. Substitute the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube, which we got as 8 root minus 1 upon x cube is 8 root 5. X minus 1 upon x was root 5, so this becomes 8 root 5. 7 8s are 56 root 5 plus 8 root 5. 56 plus 8 we get 64 root 5. So this is how we get the value of the given expression as plus or minus 64 root 5. Got it? So we have to find taking the values plus root 5 as well as minus root 5. Got it, children? Keep writing along with me. Keep the notebook and pen and keep writing along with me. Now, question number 9. If x is equal to 1 upon x minus 5. Okay, now let us simplify this further. By cross multiplication, this x minus 5 will move over here. So we get x in bracket x minus 5 is equal to 1. X multiplied by x is x square. X multiplied by minus 5 is minus 5x, which is equal to 1. Right? X into x we got x into x we got x square. X into minus 5 we got minus 5x. Now we take this minus 5x over here, it becomes positive. 1 comes here, it becomes minus 1. Now we divide both sides by x. If I divide by x, what I'm going to get? What I'm going to get? So this 1x will get cancelled. So this is how I get x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So dividing both sides by x, we get x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5. Got it? So this got cancelled. This was 5x. Actually here, yes. So this is 5x upon x. So which gets cancelled. This 1x got cancelled. So x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So we have an identity x plus 1 upon x the whole square is equal to x minus 1 upon x the whole square plus 4. X minus 1 upon x, we have got the value 5. So 5 square plus 4, which is 25 plus 4 is 29. So this is how you get x plus 1 upon x is equal to root 29 plus or minus root 29. Now we got the value of x plus 1 upon x. We are asked to find the value of x square minus 1 upon x square. We have an identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this is how x square minus 1 upon x square is x plus 1 upon x into x minus 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x is plus or minus root 29 and x minus 1 upon x was 5. So this is how the value of x square minus 1 upon x square is plus or minus 5 root 29. Question number 10. If x is equal to 1 upon 5 minus x and x is not equal to 5, find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Look what is being asked and what is being given. Okay. Again, we cross multiply, and by cross multiplying, we get x in bracket 5 minus x is equal to 1. X multiplied by 5 is 5x. X into minus x is minus x square, which is equal to 1. So this minus x square goes here. It becomes positive x square. So 5x is equal to x square plus 1. Now divide both sides by x. So 5x upon x is equal to x square upon x plus 1 upon x. Each term we are dividing. So 5x upon x, so this we get it as 5. So this x and x got cancelled. We got it as 5. And x square upon x, 1x got cancelled. This is how we get x. So x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. Now we have got x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. Let us cube both sides, right? So cubing both sides, again a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 1 up b cube plus 3 in bracket a plus b, or a plus 1 upon a the whole cube is a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus a in bracket 1 plus 1 upon a. Because here 3ab, x into 1 upon x is going to get cancelled and here it remains 3. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 in bracket x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5 cube, which is 125. X plus 1 upon x, the value is given as 5. We just calculated it. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube plus 3 5s are 15, which is equal to 125. So this 15 moves here and you have to subtract it. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 125 minus 15, which is 110. Okay, easy. Now, let us move on to the next question. So, if 3a plus 5b plus 4c is equal to 0, show that 27a cube plus 125b cube plus 64c cube is equal to 180 abc. We have the property that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So, already we are given a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Let us cube this. So we have a cube. Now this is a cube, right? 3a cube is 27a cube. 5b cube is 125b cube. And 4c cube is 64c cube. So we get a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So what is your a? This is your a. This is your b. And this is your c. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. And 45 into 4, it is 180. So this is how you get 27a cube plus 125b cube plus 64c cube is equal to 180 ABC. Easiest question. Okay, let's move. The sum of two numbers is 7 and the sum of their cubes is 133. Find the sum of their squares. So let us take the two numbers as a and b. How are these two numbers? Such that their sum is 7. So we have a plus b is equal to 7 and their sum of their cubes, that is a cube plus b cube, is 133. Okay. So now if you have to find the sum of their squares, let us first do a plus b the whole cube. So we get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b, right? Then let us substitute the value. A plus b is 7 and a cube plus b cube is 133. We put the values. 7 cube is equal to 133 plus 3ab in bracket 7. 7 is the value of a plus b. So 7 cube is 343, 133, 3ab. 3 sevens are 21. So this is 21ab. So this 21ab stays here, 133 moves here, it becomes 343 minus 133. So 343 minus 133, you get 210. 21ab is equal to 210. So ab is equal to 210 upon 21, which is 10. Now we have got the value of ab. We are asked to find the sum of their squares. That means we need a square plus b square, right? So what we will do now? We will use the identity a plus b the whole square. Okay, so here we get a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So instead of targeting this, you can even write like this: a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this a square plus b square stays here. This 2ab goes here, it becomes minus 2ab. A plus b value you have got 7, we put over here. AB value we have calculated 10, we put over here. 7 square is 49. AB value is 10. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. 49 minus 20 is 29. This is how we got the sum of their squares as 29. Okay. Question number 13. In each of the following, find the value of A. This is the easiest part of the exercise. Okay. So you have got 4x square plus ax plus 9 is equal to 2x plus 3 the whole square. We expand this. So 2x plus 3 the whole square. We expand a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. We expand this. So we get 4x square. So this is a square, that is 2x the whole square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 2x into 3 plus b square, that is 3 square. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. This is how you get 12x and this has 9. Now when you compare both the sides of equation, you have 4x and 4x, 9 and 9. Compare the middle term, you get ax is equal to 12x. So ax is equal to 12x, so a is equal to 12x divided by x, which is equal to 12. Easy. Next part, again you have 2x minus 3 the whole square. So a minus b the whole square is equal to a square. So 2x the whole square minus 2ab, that is 2 into 2x into 3 plus b square, right? So this is what we are going to get as 4x square minus 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12x, and this is going to be plus 9. Compare both of this. Ax is equal to, you get ax is equal to minus 12x. So a is equal to minus 12x upon x, so which is equal to minus 12. Got it? So this is how you get the value of a as minus 12. Okay. Next question. Again, try this one yourself. Come on. It's easy. Expand 3x plus 5 the whole square. So you have again 3x the whole square plus 2 into 3x into 5 plus 5 square. So which we get as 9x square plus 2 3s are 6 5s are 2 3s are 6 6 5s are 30. So 30x plus 25. Compare the LHS and RHS. So you have 7a minus 5 multiplied by x is equal to 30x. So when you compare this, what is the coefficient of x here? The coefficient of x here is 7a minus 5. The coefficient of x here is 30. So you get 7a minus 5 is equal to 30. 7a is equal to 30 plus 5. 7a is equal to 35. So A is equal to 35 divided by 7, which is 5. Got it? So this is how you get the value of A as 5. Easy. What you have to do is just compare LHS and RHS, compare the coefficient of X, and you get the value of A. Question number 14. If x square plus 1 upon x is equal to 3, 1 by 3, and x is greater than 1, find x minus 1 upon x. It has sub questions again. So look at this. So let us divide throughout by x. You know, this separate. Let us separate x to this. So x square upon x plus 1 upon x is equal to 10 by 3. So separately, I am writing the denominator to each term in the numerator. So x square upon x plus 1 by x. Now x square upon x is going to be x. So we get x plus 1 upon x is equal to 10 by 3, right? Now you have to find the value of x minus 1 upon x. So here we use the identity a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Okay, before very first exercise, these all identities are there which you are supposed to learn. Okay, let us put the value. So we get x minus 1 upon x. A is x, b is 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 upon x the whole square minus 4. The value of x plus 1 upon x, we know it is 10 by 3. Put it over here. 10 square is 100 and 100 upon 9. So 10 square is 100, 3 square is 9. So 100 upon 9 minus 4. So the LCM is 9 here. So if the LCM is 9, so what will you do here? You'll have to multiply and divide by 9. So into 9. So 4 9s are 36. So 100 minus 36, you get it as 64. 100 minus 36 upon 9, 64 upon 9. And 64 is the square of 8. 9 is the square of 3. So the x minus 1 upon x is actually plus or minus 3. If I take the square root, it's going to be plus or minus 8 by 3. Okay, now the next part of this, you have to find now x cube minus 1 upon x cube. You have already got x minus 1 upon x is 8 by 3. Cube both sides. Cubing both sides, you get x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 in bracket x minus 1 upon x is equal to 8 cube is 512, 3 cube is 27. Put the value of x minus 1 upon x as 8 by 3. So putting the value, this 3 and 3 again got cancelled over here. This 3 and 3 got cancelled. So you get x cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 8 is equal to 512 upon 27. This minus 8 goes here, it becomes plus 8. The LCM is again 27. So here you'll have to, 8 is there, 8 upon, so you'll have to multiply by 27 and divide by 27. 8 multiplied by 27 is 216. So 512 plus 216 is 728 upon 27. In the mixed fraction, we get it as 26 by 27. The last question of the exercise, the difference between two positive numbers is 4 and the difference between their cubes is 316. Find their product. So the difference between, let the two positive numbers, we take x and y. So x minus y is 4 and x cube minus y cube is 316. Okay, you are asked to find their product. So what we do here, we cube both sides. Cubing both sides, x minus y the whole cube is 4 cube. A minus b the whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Put the values of x minus y, which is 4. Putting the value 316 minus, this is 3xy. Okay, and x minus y value you have got 4. Correct? Right? So this is going to be, which is equal to 64. So this becomes 316. This 64 comes here, becomes minus 64. And 3 4s are 12. This 12xy moves over here. Right? Now 12xy is equal to 316 minus 64, which is 252. So xy is equal to 252 divided by 12, which is 21. Okay. Okay. Now we have found the product. That is xy is 21. Now we have to find the difference between, now we have to find the next part of that, which is the sum of their squares. Okay, sum of their squares means x square plus y square. For this, what we do is, we have x minus y is equal to 4, we square both sides. So we have the identity x minus y the whole square is x square minus 2xy plus x square plus y square minus 2xy is 16. 2 into xy is 21. 2 into 21 is 42. Minus 42 goes here, it becomes plus 42. So 16 plus 42 is 58. So x square plus y square, we got it as 58. Okay. Understood all of you? The entire exercise is done. We are coming with the solutions of each and every chapter of your book. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.